Curious about SEO services and how they can help your website grow? In this video, you'll get a clear and simple breakdown of what SEO services are, what they include, and why they matter for your online success. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and SEO services are strategies used to improve your website's visibility on Google and other search engines. The goal is to help your site appear higher in search results, attract more visitors, and ultimately grow your business. Typical SEO services include keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, content creation, technical SEO, and ongoing performance tracking. Whether you're running a blog, an online store, or a local service business, these strategies help more people find you online. You can do SEO yourself with the right tools and knowledge, or hire professionals who specialize in getting results faster and more efficiently. If you're new to SEO or considering hiring help, this video gives you a great starting point to understand what to expect from a good SEO service. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more simple breakdowns like this.